Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Neo 3 GT, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen, like so, and then swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Now here, we'll be looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which usually looks like a moon icon. And if you can't find it on any of the pages, it will mean that we need to add it ourselves to this list. And we can do so by clicking on this pencil, and then scroll down below the hold and drag section. So anything below here are toggles that you can add. And I can already see Do Not Disturb mode right here. So once I see it, I'm just going to hold it, and the text right here will change when I do. There we go. I can now drag it above, drop it, go back, and you can see I have access to it. So from here, once it's in this list, we want to hold it the first time around as well. And this will quickly take us to the settings. And in here we have a couple options that we can change in terms of how this mode will run or what it will do. So first thing is just a toggle on and off. We don't need to really talk about that one. Next we have the automation. So this will allow you to select a schedule, and this will mean that, for instance, the one that is right here allows the device, if I turn it on, to automatically for me turn the mode on and off at 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, and turn it off at 7 a.m. Wait, is that Saturday or Sunday? Oh no, this is all week, sorry. So it's kind of like weirdly shown. So yeah, this is all week long actually, which you can see by clicking right here and seeing all the days of the week. You can also create your own. So you'd set one up right here, and this might be something that you want to utilize, or you can also edit this one, as when you toggle on this mode, it will run indefinitely. So I'll be showing you how you can circumvent that just in case. But let's first also see the other options. So we have allow messages from and calls from. So you can choose each one of them independently with 4 options: anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. And calls has the same thing, but calls has additional option as a checkbox right below: repeat calls. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, you'll be, I believe, notified, or the call will go through, completely ignoring what the option was selected right here. So you might have said that not anyone, but no one is able to call you. But if they do this within that period time frame, they will be bypassing this option. So anyway, to turn on this mode, once it's all set up, you just find this toggle usually and simply tap on it to toggle it on. And when you do, you will also need to remember to turn it off yourself. Otherwise, this mode will run indefinitely in the background. But what you can also do instead, to kind of prevent that from happening, meaning running in the background indefinitely, is to select a single schedule that is running all week long. Start somewhere that you won't really mind it running. So for me, that is in the middle of the night. Let's just say something like 2 a.m. There we go. And run till 2:01 a.m. So for a single minute. I don't need it any longer. And reason for that is, when enabled, I'm going to disable this one. So when enabled, by the way, you can have multiple running at the same time. So I'm just turning it off for kind of to give you kind of clarity. But when enabled manually, so let's say I do it right now. There we go. This mode will run at this moment till 2 a.m. or 2:01 more precisely. But at 2 a.m., this schedule will try to turn on Do Not Disturb mode, but because it's already enabled, it won't really do anything. But a minute later, because it is enabled, it's going to turn it off, as it's supposed to turn it off at 2:01. So when I forget to turn it off myself throughout the day, it will run till the end of the day for me, but somewhere throughout the night, it's going to turn itself off, meaning that the next day, it's back to, well, functioning normally until I, again, turn it on myself. So just a little bit of a kind of precaution just in case. And you don't need to worry about this as it's only running for 1 minute. Even if you, for instance, remember about this mode and you go back in here and turn it off, it will turn on at 2 a.m. and then turn off 1 minute later anyway. But because it's somewhere in the middle of the night, it doesn't really matter that much. Or that's kind of why I set up this time, as it won't really interfere with my life at all. So there we go. This is basically everything that you should know. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.